Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. Dear students, Ppsc is going to conduct a very important written test for the post of Assistant Director Stat. Dear students, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, my important session is progressing. Mathematics, statistics, and economics students have joined my important session from different cities of Punjab. You can also join my session that will be very beneficial, vital, and handy for you. My WhatsApp numbers are given. Do send me a message for joining the session. Today, I will discuss a very important paper which I conducted yesterday. Let's start. Question number 1. The word statistics is used as. Dear students, the word statistics is used as singular as well as plural. Both is the correct answer. Next question is, who stated that there are three kinds of lies? Lie, damned lie, and statistics. That was given by Israeli. Next question is, statistics deals with qualitative data as well as quantitative data, both. Next, data represents a single value, no. Two values, no. Answer is a group of values. Statistics does not deal with a single value, it deals with a group of values. Next question is, a variable is any characteristic which can assume what values? Variable, a characteristic which changes from person to person, object to object, individual to individual. For example, you have a class, there are 20 students in the class and you are interested in the height. Height is a variable. It will vary from boy to boy, girl to girl. Next question is, measurable characteristics of data are called attributes, no. Characteristics, no. These are variables actually. Next question is, non-measurable characteristics of data are called, these are attributes. You have the eye color, you have the flavor of ice cream, vanilla, you can say chocolate or mango or strawberry. These are the qualitative variables. Next question is, what is the opposite of a variable? It is a constant, a value which remains same, which does not change. Next question is, which scale is the simplest form of measurement? That is a nominal scale. Dear students, nominal and ordinal scales are the two scales which are used for the qualitative data. When we have not the measurable quantities, measurable values, and interval and ratio scales are used for the quantitative data, for the measurable values. Next question is, placing in a horse race is an example of. First position, second, third. We are interested in the ordinal. It means ordinal scale. Next question is, you have flavors of ice cream, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and kulfa. This is an example of. This is the example of a nominal scale. It is not interval, not ratio. This is qualitative, and in qualitative that is nominal, not ordinal. We are not saying strawberry is better than kulfa and kulfa is better than vanilla. It means that is the nominal. Just we are making the categories. Next question is, types of classification in statistical data are. There are 4 types. Classification with respect to quantitative data, with respect to qualitative, geographical, and time. A very important concept. Next question is, smoking habits of residents of a city are qualitative data. Eye color of students, blue, green, black, and brown, qualitative data. Shoe size, discrete data. Which is called the 5-number summary. It is box plot. A statistical table has at least 4 parts. Which is written at the top of the table, it is title. The numerical part of a statistical table is called, it is body. Headings of row captions in the first column are called stub, and column headings are called captions. Column captions. Next question is, the stub of a table is the dash part of the table describing dash, left and row. It is the left part of the table describing the row. Column headings in a statistical table are called captions. The Sturge's rule for computing the number of classes is, the formula is k is equal to 1 plus 3 to 2 log capital N. Next question is, frequency of a variable is always an integer. Marks determine class frequency. Relative frequency is defined as class frequency over total frequency, f over summation f. Its sum is always equal to 1. The number of classes when arranging data should be between 5 to 20. A pie diagram is one dimensional. A pictogram is also one dimensional. The graph of the frequency distribution is histogram, and the graph of the time series is historygram. An ogive can be prepared in how many ways? In two ways: less than type and more than type. Very important question. When maximum values of the data are at the start and at the end, that will be U-shaped graph. Maximum values are in the start, in the beginning, and at the end. When most of the values are in the start, below the mean, it is called positively skewed, and whenever most of the values are above the mean, it is negatively skewed. It is the graph of the adjacent rectangles. It is histogram, and whenever we join the midpoints of the rectangles, adjacent rectangles, we have frequency polygon. Very important question. The formula for detecting outliers with the help of box plot. It is a value which is less than Q1 minus 1.5 into Q3 minus Q1 interquartile range. Then we have the outlier, and any value which is more than Q3 plus 1.5 into Q3 minus Q1, it is the outlier. Next two questions are very important. All measures of dispersion depend upon origin and scale. They are not independent of origin and scale. And the last question, all measures of dispersion are independent of origin. Dear students, must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.